Hello everyone, so today I'll be unboxing the Allure magazine, the March issue with Krystal on the cover. I'll just flip through these quickly. So the main reason I bought it is because of Sungwoon. It says here, 남자 구름이. Oh, so cute. Well, not cute in this picture, but there's Jinyoung here as well. He was on the issue for last month, I think. There's Sunmi here. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip it as fast as I can until we can find a page with Sungwoon. These are like hairstyles. It's windy. Okay, there's a lot of pages in this magazine. Mostly about beauty, I think, or fashion as well. Let's try to do it this way. See more clearly. Wow, tea. Okay, this magazine literally has everything. Like food as well coming up, like interior, like lifestyle, everything. Oh my god. Oops, is it like not straight? I'm so sorry guys. Too focused on finding something here. Okay, finally there's Krystal here. She's on the cover. Krystal's photo shoot. She's so beautiful. Oh my god, this is Sungwoon. Oh wow. Okay. So a boy or a man. Oh my god. This look is like, wow. Honestly, I prefer someone with like dark hair, but he has like blonde hair right now. But I mean, he still looks cute in like any hairstyle, I suppose. So there's the pictures. Apparently this is like I don't know if it's sold out, but I saw on Twitter like fans mentioning this product, NARS product, I think. And this is the interview with someone. Oh my god, this picture. Oh wow. See it up close. So I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but you can like pause it and read it if you'd like. I mean, there you go. Oh, wow. This is like different. I like 70s or 80s kind of hair. It isn't just me who thinks that. There's more of the interview here as well. You can pause it and read it if you'd like to. I don't know if you can even see it, but yeah. And oops, sorry. And we have Jaehwan here as well. 1-1. Life goes on, blah. Oh, he's so cute as well. And there's like a McDonald's drink there. Oh, Jaehwan is so adorable too. So he's playing his guitar. And interview with him too, if you'd like to read it. And picture. That's just crazy. Rest of the interview. Okay, and then we have GOT7 Jinyoung as well. Wow, these pictures are gorgeous. That's beautiful. Interview with him as well. Wow, it's like interview with so many people and the same issue. Like, wow. Wow, this is wow. I think that's about it for like celebrities. These are just all beauty stuff again. Looks like it. I mean, I'll just flip through it. This is like movie and dramas, I think. Yeah, it's got Sky Castle. This is like the best drama. I haven't watched this one. I mean, I can't really see. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, I haven't really seen any of these films. Yeah. I'm just seeing Sky Castle, that's it. Music, we have BTS and Blackpink, Ariana, E, and some other artists, which I don't know, but it looks really interesting. Stage, I think it's musical. Okay. Somin, an actress. Wow, food. Oh my god, dessert. This magazine is really nice actually. It's got like everything. From makeup, fashion, skincare to like food, interior, lifestyle, and like I guess places to visit. Looks like, yeah. Wow. That was it, guys. Thank you for watching.